Imagine the military logistics of the future, strategically prepared, globally responsive, and operationally precise. Supporting our forces with a network that has been transformed from that of today, a network revolutionized by data and innovation, a network that is optimized, smarter, and more efficient. Wearable technology, sensors, and automated asset tracking will give us a real-time understanding of rates of consumption and current inventories. Demand forecasting and subsequent supply requisitions will be highly accurate. Supply will be automated and urgent or unexpected demands reduced to a minimum. Improved data quality will enable an enhanced enterprise planning tool to use cloud-based big data analytics, which will give a more sophisticated and informed long-term strategy of what we need to buy and when we need to buy it. Reducing our inventory, optimizing stockpiling, and eliminating wastage. In the warehouse, robotic automation combined with digital technology will expedite stock movements and reduce the need for human intervention. Greater automation of transactions will also enhance our ability to operate at full capacity whenever required. Counting and picking errors will be eradicated. Once goods have left the warehouse, cloud-based distribution planning systems will optimize load management and slash transit times. Sensor technology and advanced tracking software will give distribution nodes much-needed end-to-end visibility of their shipments and their status. New unmanned devices such as robotic mules, driverless vehicles, and heavy lift drones will be exploited to the full, reducing the burden on and the risk to both personnel and transport assets. This is our vision of the future. A defense support network that is world-class, precise and efficient, driving real value from its data and using technology, automation and innovation to transform its operations. But our vision of the future isn't a pipe dream. Our vision is underpinned by commercial technology that is readily available today, which is why it is our ambition to rapidly adapt and exploit this technology sooner. We want to start transforming the existing defense support network today. We know we will have to change our behaviors and culture, but most of all, we know we need your help. We need the help of industry and academia to exploit new innovation and technology, to rapidly adapt our existing capability. We need your help to bring forwards the benefits of our vision so that we are able to reduce demand, optimize the deployed footprint, and develop and deliver a leaner, faster, and more agile defense support network.